So I have to, there's a lot of areas I want to address, and you know, rust is something you gotta get ahead. So this is all still strong, I can clean it. So this is the condition of the frame. So some areas are down to the metal, other areas have some of the primer. That's where we ended up after day one of this. So nice and clean. So I'm ready for doing a decent job there, cleaning all that out. Some of it is coming out easy, a lot of it isn't, so it's a struggle. So it's alright. And this is where we're at currently with the other wheel well. This is where we left off with the frame. I hope you guys can hear me. Today I'm actually in a full paint suit because the epoxy primer, this paint is crazy. Gets on everything, very difficult to get off. I don't want to inhale this, so I'm in this suit now. Picked this up from Amazon, 13 bucks. This for like 30 bucks, and I've gone ahead and cleaned this whole panel here. So that's where we're at. We've managed to get up to the engine compartment. The gas section painted. It's all masked off and painted. So I'm not gonna remove the masking tape until it's all done from one end to the other. Yeah, we planned and God laughs, right? So I had planned to do the bottom half, but then I realized that this last piece needed to get cleaned up. This is very messy, and otherwise this would have been all over the bottom paint. So let me go ahead and finish this, and then making good progress here, but it's very tedious. I found. So this has proven much more difficult than I expected. So I'm gonna switch to one of these finger tools. All right, so this is where we're at currently. Got that panel done, cleaned up. Everything's been sanded down to the best of my abilities, at least, and masked up. So now we're gonna wipe it down with paint prep. And after we wipe it down, then we'll move on to the painting. All right, so quick update. With the front enders painted, lowers as well. So you'll see I'm actually just doing the actual legs, but the top is actually going to be white. So there's going to be a lot of work to mask this off tomorrow. Here's the body. It's all done. And it's ready for seam sealer. Alright, so this stuff is, the tape is actually makes it worse. I try to do tape and then pull it, and then it comes up with the tape. So I'm not using tape anymore. So what I'm doing is trying to be as cautious as I can, laying it down. But this is important, right? Because this is where moisture gets trapped, salt gets trapped, and then next thing you know, you have a rusty car. So this is where we're at. I got about half the car done. I'm still going through all of it. I'm gonna spin it a couple of times, and back here at least it's all painted now.